Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I've got an S550 here, and I just want to do kind of a quick overview of how you would remove the bumper, right? So besides taking out the standard push pins, the bottom skid plate and all of that stuff, and then there's 4 bolts that hold the rest of the bumper on, and that's 2 in the top of the bumper, we'll go see those right now, and 2 in the grill. And then I want to show you this interesting connection over here that did give me a bit of a fit, so I thought it would be nice to let people know. We figured that out. So down here inside the grill there is a nut that goes on that, on this side and the other side. Also, just basically straight up from that one is another nut, right, or a bolt that you remove here that is a number 10. And then this bolt back here is for the headlight assembly itself. But you can remove just this bolt and that bolt down there and a screw that's over here on the bump on the other side that I'm going to show you some stuff on. And then these 2 bolts, and you can get this headlight assembly out, or you just take the 4 off of the whole bumper. But anyway, so back to our bumper story is that you have this bolt, the bolt straight below it that's in the bottom of the grill, and one or the same exact type of bolts on the other side that you would go ahead and remove to be able to drop the bumper. You would remove the 4 bolts up front on the bumper that I discussed. I'll take pictures so you know where they're all at, and we'll show that up. You would remove those, but you also need to take a screw that goes through here and it screws into here. You take a screw out that's in here, but this contraption, which gave me a bit of a fit because I was trying to pull it apart like all the other things. Anyway, you've got this contraption that sits here and holds it in, but it's also holding on the bumper of the fender of the vehicle, right? And so this fender is holding there, and so if you try to pull on the bumper like you would on most other vehicles, it won't come undone. So what you need to do is there's a hole here, or you just need to push this tab back, but I put a screwdriver in the bottom here and just popped it off, and so you just push it back and then it will pull out. And so when we go and put this one back on, we'll do the same, just like you would any other one. You got to line up that groove, right? And it's all lined up in there, and then you got to take this, angle it in, and then pull it forward to lock it all in. So just pull this back a little bit, and what we're going to do, we're going to sandwich these 2 together, putting this, and this was where I put a screwdriver in right here, just like this, and I just went like that, just rotated between the metal and the plastic of the bumper here, and it was able to pull off. You probably can just push on this side and pop it off, but so you're going to want to do the same. You're going to want to go, make sure you get between those 2 pieces of plastic and just kind of drive it in, and you've got that little so if you just push it in at an angle, it's up there, and then you just pull it back. And it all locks into place. Then you just go ahead and put the screw back in right here and put your push pins back on, and that's how you put the bumper back on after you've taken it off to do other things. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.